So the third webinar will focus on manufacturing, in-house manufacturing to be precise. Most dental clinics do not have an in-house or in-practice digital laboratory, but that's changing. The moment you start working with immediate loading protocols, doing full arch restorations, it makes a lot of commercial and also practical sense to have your own lab in your own practice. But where do you start? Which kind of printer? Which kind of mill unit, which kind of software you need, do you know even what nesting means? All those kind of things will be discussed. Also, do you know anything about the infrastructure that you need to have, how to do the data storage, how the data files communicate with each other? All those topics will be covered in the third webinar.